Morning, boy. Morning, boy. Hey, come here. Come here, please. Where are you going? It's my boy. He's the new boss here. After the multicolor. Oh, he's going over there. So my two black boys grooming himself. He's kind of big rooster. He gonna be big weight. He gonna be heavyweight rooster like the father. He should be around somewhere 2.5 up to 3 kilograms when he grow up. These two are more handsome one among 4 male. But the one with totally black and this one got some orangey color. And the gray one is my oldest bloodline, still good at this moment. But I have no female in his line anymore. Only him alone now. It's cute. I like the eye of this. Oh, every time this boy come and interrupt.